do if a school, just integrates everyone and you have a child with an allergy? What can parents do? That's not easy.
So there's definitely a lot. Like I mentioned, you have to be your own advocate. So definitely talking to the teacher, the person that your child is most in contact with, bringing everything with you as far as foods, packing the child's lunch, being in complete control over what the child will be exposed to. In most cases, you can speak to the school administrators to let them know that this is what's going on. It is part of the Disability Act as well. So the school has to accommodate in some way so that you are able to bring it. Because some schools might have a policy you can't bring food from outside. Well, they have to be able to accommodate for the special need.
And is there a way that parents can also find maybe restaurants, local restaurants around their house where it can be easy and they know they're allergy friendly?
Yes, so we actually have a gluten-free support group. It's called Gluten-Free South Florida, and we have the meetings every Monday at Baptist Hospital at 7 p.m., so it's open for the community. But this is actually a resource that we share within the group so that we can go ahead and communicate, because there's restaurants opening up all the time. There are some special apps that you can use. One is called Find Me Gluten Free, so you can identify different restaurants and plug in your food allergens, and it will show you, where, if there's any local that will accommodate specific to that.